Siyata Dishmaya, B'ezrat Hashem, we're going to continue in Sharei Baal Shem Tov, nearly finished with the book. B'ezrat Hashem, we're learning about the secret of Aliyot ve'Yeridot, Gadlut ve'Katnut, ascending and descending. Good times and bad times, the ups and the downs. B'ezrat Hashem. Today we have two short teachings, one from the Toldot Yitzchak, which is one of my hidden tzaddikim, Toldot Yitzchak of Nashchiz, and the Tzafnat Paneach on Parashat Vayera. Gam ki elech begeitz al mavet. Tehillim says, even when I walk in the shadows of the valley of death, yadua de nefilat hamochin nikra mita. It's known that when we lose our mochin, when we lose our spiritual mind to think the right way, it's an aspect of death, right? The mit midarga delay. That, so to say, you died on the level that you were at. You were on a certain level, you've fallen from that consciousness, it's as if you died on that level. V'zeu tzal mavet. That's what it means. Tzal mavet, the shadows of death. Ratzal omar gam ha'sha'at nefila lemochin dekatnut lo irara ya'an ki ata imadi. Even when I go in the shadows of the valley of death, right? Meaning even when I have an experience of a little bit of death of my level, or I lose my level of spiritual consciousness, lo irara, I will not fear any evil. Why? Ki ata imadi, because Hashem, you're still with me. The fact that I don't know to think about you, I can't make it clear, you're still with me, so why would I be scared? I know it's you that got me to fall to this place. And you're with me even when I don't have such a developed mind. The Baal Shem Tov said about this pasuk, Ma'arav tuvcha asher tzafanta lirecha, pasuk in Tehillim 31. And the 20th verse, Ma rav tuvcha, how amazing is your good, asher tzafanta lirecha, that you hid for those who have awe of you. Meaning there's a certain good that only people with yirat shamayim get. Perush, what does that mean? Ma shata matzpin umastir et atzmecha min yereecha. Hashem, you hide yourself from those who have awe of you. A person that's serving Hashem, at a certain point, Hashem has to conceal himself as well. It's not just always constant revelation, and it feels good all the time. The fact that we lose that consciousness of Hashem and we fall down to what's called mochin katnut, a constricted mindset, that is a huge benefit. Why did you go down? To go back up. That's the whole purpose, you went down. Like a father who has to teach his son to walk. As soon as his son gets closer to him, what does the father do? Take a few steps back. Right? So that the son himself takes the steps towards his father, without the support. And if that's the case, then Hashem, you're here with me even then. You just want me to take a few steps by myself. Safrat Paneach says, when a person is experiencing a constriction, hard times, a little bit of downs in their Torah and their tefillah in the service of God, and then you come to good times, the ups, where it's pleasurable to learn Torah, it feels good to pray to Hashem. Where does the benefit of all that light that you have now that you're enjoying Torah come from? It comes from the power of the times when you were down, when you were in darkness. But you still stayed to pray. And it didn't feel good, but you kept doing it. One day now the gates are going to open, but you have collected momentum of I showed up even when it didn't make sense. I showed up even when it didn't feel good. I did the right thing. Now when the gates open, it's not like your first day serving God. You stayed on, you stayed connected. So the power is that much stronger. B'ezrat Hashem Yitbarach. Next time we learn, we're going to push through to finish the whole entire book. B'ezrat Hashem, we only have 2 more pages to go. B'ezrat Hashem. May we be zoche to download the lights of the Baal Shem Tov and to understand that Hashem is always with us. Gam ki elech begeitz al mavet, even when I fall from my own level, I experience a little bit of a death, the shadows of the valley of death, and I lost my consciousness of God. Lo yirara, I'm not going to be afraid. Ki ata imadi, because I know Hashem, this is from you too. I know you're still with me. We're never going to be afraid. Psalm 23, Tehillim. It's everything. To be able to understand it on a deeper level like that as well, and to know that Hashem is always with us, no matter where we find ourselves, and no matter what spiritual state we're in, Hashem, you're here with us. Zat Hashem.